What's up everybody, it's Jim with Doesn't Pay Full Price. Welcome back, and today I'm in my daytime pajamas because I'm bringing you a new series that I like to call Cooking Under Quarantine. It's going to be a series of short videos showing you some easy recipes that you can make using shelf-stable ingredients, but they're also cheap and they pack a ton of nutrition to keep you healthy. So this first one, I'm going to need some of this miso, and this is one of my personal favorites, so stick with me. So today we're going to do a very simple version of miso soup. I'm going to show you the broth and then you can add whatever you'd like to it. So for this version of miso soup, we're only going to need two things: miso and kombu. There's a lot of different types of miso you can get. They all work. I like to use a Shiro miso or a white miso. It just has a almost sweeter flavor to it. And then kombu is just dried seaweed. Both of these pack a ton of nutrients. There's a lot of probiotics in miso, so it'll keep you nice and healthy. You don't even need the kombu if you don't want to, but we're gonna make a dashi broth and then add the miso to it. Dashi is a Japanese broth. It uses kombu and typically bonito flakes. I'm just gonna make a vegetarian version today, keep it nice and easy. So kombu, miso, let's go. All right, so to start, we're gonna take about a 3" by 5" piece of kombu, put it in our pot, and then add in 4 cups of water. Alright, we're going to put this bad boy on the stove. Medium-high heat. Before this water starts to boil, you're going to want to take the kombu out. And then don't throw it away, save it. You can do seaweed salad with it. You can add it to your miso soup later. But that's all you need to do for the dashi. It's done. A little bonus tip while we're waiting on the water to come to a boil. We're going to make some sanitizer spray. So get yourself a spray bottle and some isopropyl alcohol. Now the key is this final solution has to be over 60% alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol works, Everclear would also work. Vodka does not work. Vodka is only 40% alcohol to start with, so no go. Add your alcohol to the bottle, and then studies show that a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution helps to disinfect, so add just a little bit. And then to make it smell nice, add a couple drops of essential oils. I enjoy the Stress Relief Blend. And there you go, you can spray this on your clothes, spray this on your door handles, on your sheets, your couch, to keep it all disinfected. Time to get that out. Move that off the heat. Alright, so to finish this up, we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of miso paste for every cup of water. We started with 4 cups of water, so we're going to add 4 tablespoons of miso paste. And then just stir it all in with a whisk. Alright, so there you have it. Nice easy miso soup base. From this point you could add anything you want. Tofu, green onions, mushrooms, chicken. Packed with nutrition, really easy to make, and you can keep this miso and kombu for months. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jim with Doesn't Pay Full Price. See you next time. You're gonna need some isopropyl alcohol. You could also use Everclear, but the key is the final solution. Oh boy. Get down.